Hello YouTubers, welcome back. I'm coming to you today with a hair tutorial from Amazing Beauty Hair Extensions. There will also be a discount code in the link box if you want to take advantage of it. Let's get started. In this video, I will be reviewing 22-inch Jerry Curl Natural Black 7-piece set. This is 100 grams. I have 4 1x8s, 3 2x6s, 2 3x4s, and 1 1x2 clips. The hair density is pretty good, but I would suggest 2 bundles. I have 1 bundle, but if I would have had 2, it would have been more fuller, and I realized it was more fuller after I washed it. Inside the box, there's a comb, there's a clip, there's also extra hair clips, and a hairnet. There's even directions to help you follow through. The first thing I want to do is shampoo and condition the hair. I use Pantene Pro V shampoo and conditioner, and it worked out really well. The hair became very soft, easy, manageable, and there was no frizz. I clipped the clips together using one of my own clips, plus the clip that they sent me, and washed the hair and let it dry. I also washed my own hair. As you can see, I have a suntan from wearing wigs all year because I'm going to be wearing wigs and weave for a year. I am transitioning. Since my hair is transitioning, I'm going to be using 2 leave-ins, and I'm going to section off the top, bun it, and you can make the section as big or small as you like. And I'm going to go ahead and stretch my hair out. As you can see, I have a lot of shrinkage. I am 2 years post transition, and I'm just going to go ahead and keep going. I'm trying not to cut it, but I cut it a little bit at a time. I'm going to section off the back and start braiding. As you can see, the shrink is in my hair, very spongy. Eventually I'll be getting rid of these ends and cutting it all off, but we'll see. I'm going to go ahead and braid down as best you can to your scalp, or you can ponytail the back if you're not a good braider. I'm an okay braider. I'm not a professional. I'm not a hairstylist. I do what I can. I just go ahead and braid my hair. I wear my hair a lot in braids since I'm growing it out. You also want to go ahead and finish up with the rest of the hair, and your plaits should look like this, or cornrows. I think they call it cornrows. I went ahead and bobby pinned my hair up, and I'm going to start on the top. I like to make sure my hair is very conditioned. Do you see the suntan? Oh my goodness. Wearing wigs in Florida when it's hot, you're going to automatically get a suntan on your forehead. I section off a little section back there because I'm going to be braiding that to match my texture with the weave. These are the gels that I'm using. Everything will be listed below in the description box if you like. And I like to mix all my gels together at once. I like to mix them together because some are too soft and some are too hard. And by me transitioning, I need an extra hold on my hair. I'm going to take 2 cloth rubber bands, my hair tied up, and then I'm going to add some swoops. I don't really do baby hair, but I just add swoops in, and I braid the top braid and wrap it around and tie that up with a cloth rubber band. Now it's time to take the clip-ins, and this is very simple. All you do is wrap a couple of clip-ins around your ponytail. That's it. You want to make sure the weave is not showing, or the clips from the weft is not showing, and I like to comb it out and use a little bit of leave-in on the hair and wrap it around. You can add your bun to the desired height that you want, the thickness, however you want to do it. Add a bobby pin and you're done. Next, I'm going to start with the back braids to add that up-down look that's very popular right now. I start with the bottom. All of my clips are 22 inches, so it really don't matter which ones I start with. I'm going to start with the longest ones at the bottom and work my way all the way up, and it should look something like this. And you just keep going. Take the clip, open it, put the comb inside your real original hair, and then clip it to make sure you can hear it pop. It's very, very simple and easy to do. should look something like this when you're done. Next, I'm going to take that little piece of hair that I sectioned off, blend the hair in as much as I can. Here is my original hair texture. So what I did was I braided my hair overnight, and this is the hair wet. Here's the hair dry. And this is the next day. I went ahead and sectioned off everything, and this is my hair totally dry, blended in with the clips. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. This tan has got me going crazy. Make sure you subscribe to our channels, Mr. Traveler and Elle Glam. If you need anything, all the details will be down below. Take advantage of that coupon. 10% off is down below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Live your dreams, glam your lifestyle. Take care. Bye, everyone.